5 God-approved ways to make more money. Do you need to make more money, but aren't sure where to start? Here are 5 ways to make money that God has approved of in the Bible, and that even Jesus used when he was on earth. Don't be afraid to ask God for help in your money matters, because he loves us and wants us to prosper as we follow his word and work hard at our jobs. The Bible says godliness with contentment is great gain, 1 Timothy 6:6, so if you're getting enough income to live comfortably, then you should be content with what you have. 1. Start generating new ideas. It's easier than you think, and just sitting down for a few minutes each day can do wonders. In fact, a lot of money ideas come from people thinking outside of the box, and that's pretty hard to do when your mind is already focused on your existing business. Try it, it works. 2. Work harder. Nobody wants to hear that you're only making as much money as you are because you're lazy. But there's a hard, frustrating truth here: most of us make what we do in life more than any other factor. If your goal is to increase your income, then it's up to you. You have to take responsibility for your financial situation and work harder, whether that means getting a second job or working longer hours at your current one. It's not easy, but it can be done. 3. Look for new opportunities. When times are tough, it's common for people to try and cut their expenses as much as possible. But sometimes cutting back can actually lead to even greater financial loss. You may think you're saving money by not going out with friends, but that doesn't mean you don't spend money on other things, or end up spending more because of increased boredom. So if you want to make more money, be sure not to skimp on something else in your life. 4. Increase revenue streams. In the Bible, King Solomon said 2 are better than 1 because they have a good return for their labor. If either of them falls down, one can help the other up. But pity anyone who falls and has no one to help them up. Also, if 2 lie down together, they will keep warm. But how can one keep warm alone? Though one may be overpowered, 2 can defend themselves. 5. Try different methods. Rather than making money on your terms, why not work in a way that allows you to make money on God's terms? If you're into business and enjoy being an entrepreneur, consider testing out different methods until you find one that works. While there is no surefire method for getting rich quick, there are ways that may increase your chances of finding success with minimal investment.